Welcome, contractors. Today we embark on a journey into the realm of SWOT analysis. This powerful tool empowers you to evaluate your personal strengths and weaknesses, assess your company's position, identify opportunities, and navigate potential threats. So let's begin this enlightening exploration. Segment 1. Strengths. Our first step in conducting a SWOT analysis is to uncover your strengths. Let's take a moment to reflect on what distinguishes you, both personally and as a company. For instance, as a skilled tile installer, you might excel in layout, clean lines, and grouting. It's essential to recognize any unique talents or exceptional qualities that provide you with a competitive edge in the industry. Furthermore, let's consider your company's strengths. Do you boast a dedicated and proficient crew? Are you renowned for delivering high-quality work punctually? Identifying what your company does exceptionally well is of utmost importance. So let's make note of these strengths. Now let's shift our focus to weaknesses. Honesty is key as we identify areas that require improvement, both on personal and company level. Acknowledging weaknesses is the crucial first step towards growth and development. Perhaps you face challenges in finding jobs, estimating accurately, or closing sales. Take the time to recognize these weaknesses and commit to enhancing them. Remember, addressing weaknesses opens up opportunities for growth. Segment 3. Opportunities. Opportunities arise from external factors that can positively impact your personal and company growth. Keep a vigilant eye on market trends and be on the lookout for potential openings. These may include new products, emerging markets, or recent events that create demand for your services. For example, imagine stumbling upon a new concrete coating that revitalizes old patios. A perfect opportunity to expand your service offerings. By staying informed about market changes, you can explore innovative ways to capitalize on them. Segment 4. Threats. Threats, on the other hand, are external factors that can pose challenges to your personal and company success. These threats can range from regulatory changes to economic fluctuations and increased competition. Recognizing threats enables you to proactively address and mitigate their impact. While external threats like OSHA regulations or new penalties may complicate your operations, they rarely lead to business failure. However, internal threats can be more detrimental. Poor bookkeeping practices, untrustworthy employees, or inadequate estimation methods are examples of internal threats. It's crucial to take action to minimize these risks and protect your business. Finally, let's delve into trends. Staying attuned to market trends allows you to align your strategies and remain relevant. Are housing demands on the rise? Are customers willing to pay for premium features? Identifying trends empowers you to adapt your offerings and meet evolving customer preferences. By comprehending the market and understanding consumer behavior, you can make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to conducting a SWOT analysis for personal and company success. Remember, it's crucial to assess your strengths, address weaknesses, seize opportunities, mitigate threats, and stay in tune with market trends. Embrace this powerful tool and leverage its insight to excel in your personal and professional endeavors. Now, I encourage you to take action and apply these valuable insights to your own journey. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content that will help you thrive in your endeavors. Stay connected, stay inspired, and together, let's achieve greatness.